kapag hindi mo siya binibigyan ng space in order for her to think and fantasize about you. So, when you are too available digitally sa social media, you deny the woman the opportunity to wonder kung anong ginagawa mo, sinong kasama mo, o kung kailan mo ba siya kakausapin. Okay? And that's the best way in order for a woman to get attracted and obsessed sa'yo if you make her think about you. Kasi the more she think about you, the more she feels. Okay? Kaya gusto ng babaeng nag-i-imagine, nagpa-fantasize kasi it makes them feel good. So, you also show, again, kapag masyadong available, you also show na wala kang ibang ginagawa sa buhay mo. Kasi, like ka ng like. Kakapost lang yan, nilike mo na agad. In which it signals lack of direction and purpose. Kung ikaw ay isang lalaki na walang direction at purpose at na ano yan ng babae, na parang, na ano yan ng bakit kaya palaging available to? Wala ba siyang ginagawa sa buhay niya? That's the biggest turn off. If you lack direction and you lack purpose sa buhay mo, that's the biggest turn off ng isang babae. Kasi paano kanya makikita as a leader? If wala kang goal, if wala kang mission, wala kang purpose. Okay? Para maging leader ka, you need to have a destination. Kasi nga, li-lead mo ikaw yung magli-lead. Paano ka magli-lead kung walang direction? Kung walang purpose, kung walang goal, kung walang mission? Plastic bag ka lang sa buhay mo na kung saan ka dalhin ng hangin, walang direksyon. Okay?